Let's do a quick cleanup of this sidebar block to remove the title, the label, and to resize this image. And then we'll come back and look at a different way of placing this block that might be a bit more sustainable using the context module. So if we hover over the block, we can go to the block settings by clicking the cogwheel and selecting Configure Block. For the title, let's enter none with the brackets to either side and click Save Block. Okay, so that took that out. Now we need to remove this label, and we can do so by clicking Manage Display on the Review node. Now the reason for that is that this is still just a field within the Review node. Now at various points it's probably seemed confusing as to which node you're supposed to manipulate, but keep in mind that this right here, even though it's a full node display, is just a field within this node here. So when it comes to the label of this field, we need to edit the display of the review. So I'll click Manage Display. Let's make sure we're in the full content view mode. And then for product reference, under Label, let's select Hidden. Scroll down and click Save. Okay, so now we have About This Product, we have the content, and we just need to resize the image a bit. We need to do that in the Image Styles section. And let's get there by using Coffee again. I hit Alt-D, and I'm going to type in Styles. Image Styles is the first entry that displays. And for Sidebar, I'll click Edit. And in this effect, which is Scale Width to 200 pixels wide, let's click Edit. And let's change this to 160 and click Update Effect. I'll exit out of the overlay, and now our image displays within the border of this particular block.